Good morning, students. Today we will do the quiz hour on page number 61 and 62. The first question is, Riyal is the currency of which country? Saudi Arabia. Second question is, which country leads in the production of gold? So which is that country? It is China. Third question is, Red Indians are the original inhabitants of which place? North America. Number 4, which is the deepest lake of the world? Which is that lake? It is Lake Baikal. Number 5, how many countries are members of United Nations? This we studied recently. 193 members are in United Nations. Number 6, who is the present president of United States? Earlier it was Donald Trump and now Joe Biden is likely to become the president of United States. Number 7, largest freshwater lake is in Lake Superior. Number 8, water lily is the national emblem of which place? Bangladesh. Number 9, the currency of South Korea is, the options given is yuan, yen, won, Korea. So correct option is 1. Number 10, the grassland found in South America are known as pampas. Number 11, after whom is the present capital of USA named? So after whom it is named? George Washington. Number 12, name the first black president of Republic of South Africa. So we studied about him recently and it is Nelson Mandela. Number 13, what is meant by apartheid? So it is discrimination between the black skinned and the fair skinned or brown skinned people. Number 14, Martin Luther King was the options given are sportsman, Secretary General of the UN, black of US civil rights leader, none of these. So correct option is black US civil rights leader. Again we studied about him in Unforgettables. Number 15, the Charles Dickens novel A Tale of Two Cities is about which two cities? Option given is London and New York and Manchester, Montreal and Paris, London and Paris. So correct option is London and Paris. Number 16, which country governs Greenland? We studied about Greenland. So the country is Denmark. Number 17, which country first gave women the right to vote? And that country was New Zealand. Number 18, the US President's office in White House is oval shaped. So it is called Oval Office. Number 19, spot the misfit: India, Japan, China, Greece. So answer is Greece. Why it is Greece? Because it is European country while others are Asian countries. Then we come to 20. In which country did Tintin cartoon first appear? So that was in Belgium. 21. Where is the longest railway platform in the world? This also we studied in the superlatives of the world. It is in India. The options given are Moscow, New York, India and Canada. So it is in Gorakhpur, India. Number 22, largest island of the world. Options given are A, Australia, B, Greenland and C, New Guinea. So the correct answer is B, Greenland. Now 23, where is the Sahara Desert located? This also we studied recently. A option is given South Africa, B North Africa, C Europe and D Asia. So it lies in B North Africa. 24th, the 4 countries with the largest population in order of size are China, India, Indonesia and Japan. B. China, India, Russia and USA. C. China, India, Russia and Japan. D. China, Japan, Indonesia and USA. So the correct option is the B option. Then 25. The Tomatina is a festival in which thousands of people throw tomatoes at one another. In which country is it celebrated? So which is this country? It is Spain. In this they throw tomatoes at each other. Now we come to the interesting facts about the world that you must know. About 400 billion gallons water is used worldwide each day. Second, the moon is 1 million times drier than the Gobi Desert. Third, Earth travels through a space at 700 miles per hour. Fourth, from a distance, Earth would be the brightest of 8 planets. This is because sunlight is reflected by the planet's water. Then last one, continent Asia covers 30% of the total Earth's land area but represents 60% of the world's population. So all of you learn these important things in the quiz hour by heart. I have uploaded social studies, English, GK, value education, all the videos. Only I am a click away from you. Anytime you can switch on and learn these subjects with me.